7 hydroponic plants flourish without soil, blooming directly in water. Searching for a distinctive method to incorporate some foliage into your home or workplace? Try cultivating plants hydroponically. Not only is this an attractive and effortless choice, it's also an excellent way to upcycle resources. This article will delve into 7 varieties of plants that flourish and blossom in aquatic conditions, negating the need for soil. We'll examine an array of plants from lucky bamboo to water lily, pothos, philodendrons, spider plants, peace lily, and Chinese evergreens, promising a fit for every environment. Let's dive deeper into these water-loving plants and their care needs. 1. Lucky bamboo. Regarded as a charm of fortune and prosperity, lucky bamboo is a favorite choice for indoor flora. It thrives in aquatic environments and is easily propagated by clipping the stems and immersing them in a water-filled vase or jar. This plant favors bright, indirect sunlight and is best kept away from direct sunlight. 2. Water lily. Characterized by their vivid, eye-catching blossoms, water lily are an enchanting aquatic plant. They can easily be cultivated in a pond or sizable water container, needing a mix of full sun and partial shade. Regular fertilization is crucial to maintain their vitality. 3. Pothos cologne. Pothos, a minimal care houseplant, can be successfully grown in water. Its long vines with heart-shaped leaves add a vibrant green touch to any space. Propagation involves simply clipping a stem and situating it in a water-filled vase or jar. 4. Philodendrons, another favorite houseplant for hydroponic growth, boast large, glossy leaves. Their propagation mirrors that of pothos. Like most houseplants, they appreciate bright, indirect light and need protection from direct sunlight. 5. Spider plant. Spider plants, identified by their long, slender leaves and petite white flowers, are simple to care for and can be grown hydroponically. Simply immerse the plant in a water-filled vase or jar. They thrive best under bright, indirect sunlight, away from direct sunlight. 6. Peace lily. Peace lily, another popular choice for hydroponic growth, display glossy, dark green leaves and white blossoms that bloom in spring and summer. Like their counterparts, they appreciate bright, indirect light and need protection from direct sunlight. 7. Chinese evergreen. Chinese evergreens, an effortless care houseplant, flourish in water. Their dark green leaves with silver or white accents are perfect for a color splash in any space. Bright, indirect sunlight is preferred, with avoidance of direct sun. There's a wide array of attractive, low-maintenance plants that can blossom hydroponically. Whether your preference leans toward lucky bamboo, water lily, pothos, philodendrons, spider plants, peace lily, or Chinese evergreens, there's a water-loving plant for every home or office. Just ensure to provide appropriate light, keep the water pure, and fertilize regularly for a healthy growth cycle.